Hey, what is up guys? It's Brennan here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the best RV insurance companies. What are the best companies for you to use to cover your RV when it comes to a variety of different types of recreational vehicles, whether that be a travel trailer, a Class A, B, or C motorhome, or whatever type of RV that you have. Again, that could even include some van conversions as well. We're going to be taking a look at the best companies in order to get RV insurance. And if you would like to check out any of the companies mentioned here in today's video, you can go and check out those companies linked down below in the video description. Again, some of which are affiliate links, which can be a great way to help out and support the channel. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into the list again of the best RV insurance companies. Without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at the best of page here, and this page is done in partnership with money.com. Now, we've ranked the list of the best RV insurance companies, and it is specific to your zip code as well, so you can enter in your location and get matched with some of the best RV insurance companies. Now, we've put together this list, and if you'd like to get access to this page and follow along with the video, you can go and check out that first link down below in the video description. That's brennanvalesky.com/RV-insurance. That will take you right over to this page here, where again, you can get access to the list of the best RV insurance companies, and this page will be up to date no matter when you're watching this video as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at the number one spot on our list. We'll also be taking a look at some of the questions and things you may need to consider when you're looking at getting RV insurance as well. Now, of course, whether you're traveling across the country or just taking a weekend getaway, RV insurance is essential with coverage options for liability, collision, and and more as well. You can enjoy the open road with confidence knowing that you and your home on wheels are protected, so you can get a quote today and start your journey worry-free. Again, without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at our number one choice here, which is Good Sam Insurance Agency. Now, Good Sam is one of the most popular RV insurance companies, and they are actually our number one choice here on the list. Now, 96% overall customer satisfaction rating is a really high customer satisfaction rating. Now, again, when we're comparing all these companies, we're also going to be taking a look at the types of coverages you need to consider when you're looking at RV insurance and what types of RVs each of these different companies cover, because that's really one of the most essential factors when you're taking a look at and comparing different companies as well. Is my RV able to be covered as well? Because it does depend on the type of RV that you have or the type of travel trailer that you have. So again, here, taking a look at Good Sam, they offer, as you can see here, customers report an average savings of $530 per year. They also offer total loss replacement for motorhomes and travel trailers, and they have specialized coverage for full-timers or first-time weekend RVers, as well as an RV storage option to turn off coverage when your RV is not in use, which that is a really big cost saver as well, because that just limits your overall liability and risk. Again, if your home on wheels is not actually on the road, it really, you're eliminating majority of the risk there. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at Good Sam as well. Again, if you would like to check out an estimate and see an estimate for your quote today, you can go ahead and check out the links linked down below in the video description. Now, taking a look at Good Sam, of course, they offer a variety of different types of insurances, not just RV insurance. They also offer other types of insurances as well, something to keep in mind, right? They offer auto, home, condo, renters, motorcycle, and boat insurance. We're focusing here on RV insurance today for today's video, as they are one of the most popular for RV insurance specifically. So we're just going to go ahead and type in you type in your zip code here. You can click get a quote, and this is just walking you through what kind of the quoting process looks like, for example, with Good Sam. So the first thing you would need to select, of course, is, okay, what type of RV would you like to insure? An RV you drive or an RV you tow. And you can also save money if maybe you're a homeowner, marine, military service, if you pass an RV safety course, as well as if you have a Good Sam membership, or if you pay in full. We're just going to go ahead and click pay in full. And then next, you can also select the type of RV that you have, right? So if you are going to be towing one, that compares to, a travel trailer. This would be a conventional travel trailer. Maybe if you have a fifth wheel, if you have a toy hauler, which includes conventional and fifth wheel, as well as a horse trailer with living quarters, an Airstream travel trailer, a truck camper, as well as a pop-up camping trailer. So you can get all these different types of trailers covered with Good Sam. And in terms of the motorhomes, they cover Class A, Class B, which would include your camper vans, and Class C, as well as toter homes. which is, slight different if you have kind of like a bit of a trailer on top of maybe a semi truck chassis or something like that, right? It's a little bit more, not as many people have those, let's just say, but Class A, Class B, Class C, most popular probably being the Class A kind of bus style, or the Class C is going to be sort of your either van chassis or a truck chassis. Class B is the traditional camper van style, so maybe van life type vans and things like that as well. So those are the types of RVs that you can get covered. Again, you can follow along and go through the rest of the quoting process yourself, or you could talk to an agent that they have directly as well in terms of adding drivers and additional RV specifics. But I did want to just cover the types of RVs that Good Sam does cover in this list here, which is pretty expansive list. It pretty much covers most types of RVs that people would need to cover or want to cover with RV insurance. Okay, moving along, next in this list we have is National General, and this is an Allstate division. This is their RV insurance division that specializes in RV insurance through National General, again, which is owned by Allstate, which you may be familiar with for car insurance and things like that, right? So National General offers a turnoff for liability and collision during storage, which can help you save 53% of your total cost. They also offer full-timer coverage options if you are a full-time RV person. If you're doing the full-time RV living or van life or something like that, maybe you're retired, then they also offer full-timer coverage options. Or just if you're family and you just take your RV out of storage every now and again just to go on a camping trip. In addition, they also have Mexico insurance options, as well as total loss RV replacement and 24-hour claim support. If we take a look here at National General's website, you can get potentially a discount as well if you use the links in the video description for your RV insurance. And as you can see here, they offer a fast quote with low rates and great service, and they offer specialty RV coverages, again, like we touched on. If we type in just a sample quote here to start the quoting process as far as kind of what that looks like through National General, you go through here, you get started. Again, kind of same types of questions here in terms of their quoting widget and quoting process. So you click RV you drive, RV you tow, pay in full. They kind of have a very similar quoting process. And in terms of motorhome, right, you go through here, you select motorhome or you select the trailer. Do keep in mind, National General through Allstate is different from Good Sam. That is a different insurance company, but they do have a very similar quoting process in terms of the types of RVs that they do cover. Again, just keep in mind the types of discounts and quotes that you get from different companies, and then you can compare and contrast as far as which one might make the most sense for you. Moving along, at number 3 in this list we have is Roamly. Now, as you can see here, Roamly offers up to 35% you can save on RV insurance, and you can get coverage when you rent your RV without a commercial policy, as well as it covers DIY and professional conversions. And that's really important for a lot of you guys. Maybe if you have a Class B camper van and you're looking to get coverage for van life, or if you're looking at doing something like that, or maybe if you have a DIY van conversion or even any kind of other DIY type trailers, they can also get you coverage in that way. Now, Roamly also allows you to file a claim online via email or by phone, and they are accredited and rated A+ by the Better Business Bureau. If we take a look at Roamly's site, now they do also offer a variety of other types of insurances. When it comes to RVs, right, they also offer motorcycle, boat, and toy insurance. That could be like your ATVs, things like that, that you might also tow with you when you're hauling. Maybe if you have a travel trailer or a toy hauler, you could also cover things like an ATV, UTV, different types of adventure vehicles that you might keep inside your RV as well. So you can kind of bundle different policies here with Roamly. If we take a look at their RV quoting process, this is sort of their widget in terms of what that looks like. So how many RVs or trailers? Let's just say 1. And then you can go through here and select the year, manufacturer, the length, and the model. So if we just go down, if you click on any type of thing like that, you type in the length, and then the vehicle type, just clicking through a couple options here. In terms of the vehicle types that they cover, it includes Class A, Class B, Class C, custom camper vans. Now that's a big one here because not necessarily every RV insurance company is going to be willing to cover custom camper vans. So that's one nice perk and benefit with a company like Roamly, although you still can get RV insurance coverage for custom camper vans with some of the other companies out there. It may just require, a little bit more documentation, a little bit more processes to make sure it's certified as a vehicle, as certified as an RV, really, so that you're not having to pay such high car insurance rates on a custom camper van. You want to be paying the RV insurance rates because it's going to be a lot cheaper than paying what car insurance rates would be on a traditional just work van or something like that, right? In addition to that, then you also have trailers, folding trailers. This would be like pop-up campers, things like that. You also have fifth wheels, utility trailers, passenger vehicles, a tow vehicle, converted bus, trailer, or truck. This is things like a school bus, a converted bus, a bus life type thing. You can also do that as well as passenger vans, truck campers. This would just be the camper itself, not the truck, of course, as well as horse trailers. So you do have a lot of options here with Roamly in terms of the vehicle types, and so I wanted to also cover that here. It also includes things like, how many nights do you camp in your RV, right? Is it your primary residence, or actually you just camping like a few nights per year? And then how do you store it, right? Covered, open lot, enclosed. These are all things that impact your overall risk mitigation when it comes to the insurance policy and the price that you'll be quoted for when it comes to your quoting process. Again, you can feel free to follow along with this video and get quotes today from any of the companies mentioned here in today's video. Now, moving along, next and last but not least in this list here today, we have is RV insurance. Now, RV insurance, as you can see, your customers report an average savings of $321 per year, and they cover everything from Class A motorhomes to pop-up campers, and you can quote and buy online. You can speak to a professional licensed agent, and they are fully licensed with multi-line agency, so you can quote home, auto, boat, and other insurance products when you're looking at RV insurance. They aren't just limited to RV insurance. You can also quote, home, auto, boat, and other types of insurance products. And again, this is what RV insurance site looks like. You can go through, type in your zip code, and go through the overall quoting process with them today. If we take a look here, just as a quick glance and example as far as what their quoting process looks like, kind of takes you through here into the National General inside the same kind of quoting process that some of the other companies have. So you can see, an RV you drive, RV you tow, do you live in your RV 6 months or more out of the year? Yes, no, the typical types of questions that you need to answer when it comes to getting RV insurance. Again, I would highly suggest getting quotes from multiple different companies. Even if some of the quoting process is similar, you still might get different pricing because they might use the same software, but they might be able to get you different pricing depending on maybe some of each company's specialized discounts that they might be able to offer you, or really just it's good to shop around and compare and contrast across different quotes and different companies. Again, even if they use necessarily the same quoting software. So guys, that pretty much rounds out this video here today on some of the best RV insurance companies. Again, if you would like to check out the link to this page here where you can quote your own RV insurance policies, you can go and check out that first link down below in the video description. That's brentvalesky.com/RV-insurance. Again, that will take you right over this page here where you can quote the top RV insurance companies in your area. Guys, if you found this video helpful or enjoyed it, then be sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Anyway, guys, that's all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.